I'm headed over to one of my favorite places to grocery shop. It's a little bit of a distance from my house, but it's worth it. It has a great variety of seafood, meat, nuts, spices. I mean, it has everything. So I'm going to show you where I like to shop when I have the time, and I hope you enjoy. Bye. Hi, welcome to Lornas.Cookin. I'm Lorna. I'm at my favorite grocery store today, and I'm going to be sharing with you why I love this store so much. So let's go inside. This place has the best cheese section I've seen anywhere around. They have every kind of cheese that you could ever want. Some local and some imported. If you need cage-free, organic, if you need quail eggs, if you want brown eggs, just any kind of egg you want. The good thing is that they support local businesses as well. Called banana milk. I haven't tried that yet. I finished my grocery shopping, and now I'm going to go get something to eat. Now, I know I'm not the only person who does this. goes grocery shopping, and then goes buy some already made food. But I'm going to do that. I made it home safely, so now I'm going to put my groceries away, and then I'm going to eat my barbecue. Thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Take care.